know that roughly 75% of school children worldwide have active dental caries? Can you imagine 25% of adults do not brush their teeth twice a day and their risk of developing tooth decay increases by 33%? Well, if you want to explore more about dental caries, check out this video.
First of all, do you know what a tooth looks like? Here is the structure of a tooth. The outermost layer is the enamel, the middle is dentin, while the innermost is the pulp. Other structures include the gum, cementum, bone, nerves, and blood vessels. The visible part above the gum is known as the crown, while the root hides beneath the gum. Fun fact time! Do you know tooth enamel is the hardest biological tissue in a human body?
Many factors shown here will make you more prone to dental caries. The first one is advancing age. Older teeth could form plaque more quickly due to wear down of teeth and receding gums over time. Also, people having autoimmune diseases and dry mouth will reduce the saliva in our mouth, which loses the protective layer against bacteria. What's more is the poor dental hygiene. Poor brushing habits will allow bacteria and plaque to deposit around the teeth and gums. Apart from that, recessed gum will expose the roots. The roots do not have a protective enamel coating. It makes the root exposed root sensitive and prone to decay. Last but not least, nicotine in cigarettes increases the risk of having tooth decay too.
There are 4 primary factors leading to dental caries: the host, which is the tooth, food, oral bacteria, and time. For the process of tooth decay, firstly, bacteria adhere to the tooth and dental plaque is formed, which is a kind of biofilm consisting of microcolonies of bacteria, proteins in saliva, and dead cells in the mouth.
When we eat, there is sugar on the tooth. Bacterial fermentation occurs as bacteria in the dental plaque digest sucrose and produces lactic acid. The acids produced have a detrimental effect in the next step.
The next step is demineralization of the tooth. Acid from bacteria fermentation and acidic foods and drinks, especially soda, lowers the pH around the tooth. Around a pH lower than 5.5, it favors the growth of certain kinds of bacteria, for example, Streptococcus mutans and Lactobacillus. As the pH drops too low, a counteraction is needed. Crystals of the enamel form calcium ions and phosphate ions, as well as hydroxide ions to neutralize the acid on the tooth. As a result, enamel crystals are lost, leading to increased porosity and development of carious lesions. This is how dental caries are developed. In more serious cases, bacteria may even enter into the dentin and the pulp. This would be very painful.
After noticing the process of tooth decay, you may be very interested to know how to prevent it. There are 2 do's and don'ts that I want you to remember. Do brush your teeth at least twice a day and floss daily. And do have regular dental checkups, as preventive care can help stop problems from occurring and keep minor problems from becoming major ones. Also, remember, don't get excessive sugary and acidic food in your diet, and don't eat too much sticky food such as peanut butter.
Therefore, remember to brush your teeth every day to keep the caries away.